are in our favorite Wi-Fi cafe in the block right behind our hotel, so it's really fast to get to. It plays very interesting music. Electric guitar, Somewhere Over the Rainbow, lots of this jazz stuff. It's really pretty cool.
Alright, my turn.
Okay.
Frame that. It's still recording.
Okay.
I just wanted to say hello as well, and I'm going to take you on a quick walking tour of the neighborhood so you can see everything that's going on. But we just wanted, since we couldn't get a connection going on the Yahoo or the Skype, I just wanted you to see where we are and what we're doing and just some of the fun that we've got going on. So let's go! So this is the cafe that we are in, and you know, it's been very quiet, so it's nice for us to just sit back here in the back corner and enjoy our coffee and our espressos. We need quite a bit of caffeine because we're still very jet lagged, but it's been a lot of fun. There's a little bit of electrical work going on outside, but just so you kind of see some of the area around here. This is the street behind the hotel that we are staying at, and not an inch of space is wasted here. All advertising everywhere you go, and this is just a small alleyway behind. This isn't even one of the major streets. This is a major shopping district called Myeongdong, and all kinds of fashion and all kinds of stuff. It's Saturday morning over here right now, so you can kind of see everybody is getting ready for the day, and then this place really comes alive overnight. So this is where we are right now, and we are having a wonderful, wonderful time, and hopefully, even if I don't know how we're going to be able to connect you into the ceremony. I may just actually do a videotape with the phone of bits and pieces just so you can see something. That might be the best way, I'm not sure. And yes, there is 7-Eleven here, which I think is fantastic. Anyway, we're having a wonderful time, and we will see you very soon and fill you in on all the details. This is our, by the way, this is our cafe, Cafe Bean. So, there you go. See you soon. Bye.